Let us take Wiedemann-Frank law. Okay, so Wiedemann-Frank law, it is basically very simple law. It states that the ratio of thermal conductivity to electrical conductivity of the metal is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the metal. It is very, very simple law. It states that the ratio of thermal conductivity to the electrical conductivity of the metal is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the metal. Okay, that is K divided by sigma is directly proportional to T, absolute temperature. Or you can say that the ratio of thermal conductivity to electrical conductivity of the metal at a given temperature is always constant. For any metal, this ratio is going to be constant. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We have to prove thermal conductivity K divided by electrical conductivity sigma is directly proportional to temperature ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So proof is very simple. We have already obtained the expression for electrical conductivity sigma and thermal conductivity K. ಎರಡು ನಾವು obtain ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Take the ratio and simplify. Now proof. Proof is very simple. According to the free electron theory of metals, the expressions for electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity are given by, so expression for electrical conductivity sigma is equal to n e square tau divided by m, where n is the number of electrons per unit volume, e is the charge on electron, tau is the relaxation time, m is the mass of the electron. And what is the expression for thermal conductivity? That is half n v square kb into tau. I have expressed thermal conductivity in terms of relaxation time tau. Here v is the velocity of the electron, kb is the Boltzmann constant, and tau is the relaxation time. What you have to prove? We have to prove ratio of thermal conductivity to electrical conductivity is directly proportional to temperature and prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now take the ratio K to sigma. Thermal conductivity would be divided by electrical conductivity. That is equal to 1 by 2 n v square kb into tau. That is the expression for thermal conductivity divided by n e square tau divided by m. That is the expression for electrical conductivity. So here tau gets cancelled, n gets cancelled, n cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, and you will left with m into v square. ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ m ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. m v square kb divided by 2e square. This term will remain. Now we have to eliminate this m v square. Okay, kb is constant, e square is constant, but mass and velocity, mass is constant but velocity is not constant, and we have to introduce the term temperature, because we have to prove K divided by sigma is directly proportional to temperature and prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now according to classical theory, the average kinetic energy of the free electron is half mv square equal to 3 by 2 kbt. Therefore mv square is equal to 3 kbt. So we have to substitute for this mv square, that's all, and further simplify. Directly you will arrive at the proof. Okay, so put mv square is equal to 3 kbt. What will happen? Put in the above equation, we will get K by sigma. In place of mv square, I will put 3 kbt into kb divided by 2e square. Simplified further, you will get 3 kb square into t divided by 2e square. So K by sigma will be equal to 3 kb square by 2e square into t, temperature T. So this is going to be constant because Boltzmann constant is a constant, charge of the electron is constant, and we call this particular constant as Lagrange number. So we'll express this final ratio as K by sigma is equal to L into T, where L is called as Lagrange number. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Lagrange number ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So finally you can calculate the Lagrange number, that is equal to 3 kb square by 2e square is it comes out to be 1.11 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt ohm per Kelvin square. So this proves Wiedemann-Frank law. So what you have to prove? In Wiedemann-Frank law, you have to prove the ratio of thermal conductivity to the electrical conductivity is directly proportional to temperature. And here L is going to be proportionality constant. It is a constant. So directly it shows K divided by sigma is directly proportional to temperature. Okay. So it only depends on temperature. So if temperature is fixed, suppose at room temperature, if you want to calculate the ratio of thermal conductivity to the electrical conductivity of copper, of iron, whatever it may be, for all the metals at a given temperature, let us take at room temperature, this ratio is exactly equal to Lorentz number. That is very, very important law called Wiedemann-Frank law. So ratio of thermal conductivity to the electrical conductivity at a given temperature is constant for all the metals. ಯಾವ metal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ that is going to be constant. So this is Wiedemann-Frank